Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, please make yourself welcome. In this channel, I give you delicious recipes and amazing kitchen tips which will be very helpful to you. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you find what I share with you helpful. So today we are going to be making a goosey soup, and here I have with me some stockfish, dried fish, pomo, some dried meat, and an already seasoned or well seasoned chicken. You can as well use your frozen chicken or your live chicken, but you have to season that properly. I didn't do any seasoning here because everything I used here were already seasoned and dried or grilled. Okay, so you want to make sure that your palm oil boils properly in the hot stock, and then going to add in your egusi seeds and make sure that you're dissolving that properly and leave it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the water dries up. So you can see the change in consistency here. It looks more like gari. That's to say that the egusi has cooked properly. And then we're adding some water, some pepper, your crayfish, salt, seasoning cubes, and then the rest of the protein you choose to use. At this point where you add in your vegetables, just don't careful not to overcook. Just let it sit on the fire for about 3 to 4 minutes and your egusi is done. Delicious and ready to eat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video very helpful, or if you find my recipes very delicious, and I enjoy your comments or your challenges or whatever recipe you'd love me to share with you. Okay guys, so at this point my life is for enjoyment. Thank you for watching.